I am going to discuss ill effects of detonation. Okay, so in the last session we have discussed what is detonation. Okay, so that is harmful effect. It should not be there, but we cannot avoid it. It is a inevitable process in the SI engine combustion chamber. There will be detonation, but it should be less. Okay, so if this pressure rise inside the combustion chamber is very high, then what may happen? Let us see the ill effects of the detonation. First of all, engine failure. Okay, let us write the point out the main points. Engine failure may be local melting of piston and piston rings, overheating the spark plug. Okay, next is engine failure, local melting of piston and piston rings, overheating the spark plug. Next, there will be rough running and noise. Then another effect will be output and efficiency, and another is auto ignition, pre-auto ignition. Okay, so pre-ignition. These are the ill effects of the detonation. It should not be, as I told you, this is harmful effect for the combustion chamber in SI engines. It should be minimum and as low as possible. Now, first of all, let us see how this effect will fail the mechanical system. The temperature inside the cylinder may be, that is around 2500 degrees centigrade to 3000 degrees centigrade. Okay, very high temperature will be there inside the engine, and this equalization of the temperature and pressure is not proper. Equalization of pressure is not even, then this problem occurs, as I have told you already. So this temperature may be 2000, 2500 also. So that temperature is very high temperature, and this should be removed or it should be distributed throughout the combustion chamber. So the bad effect of high pressure and temperature will be minimum. So if this temperature and pressure will not be equally distributed throughout the combustion chamber, then whole mechanical system itself will be seized there. So engine may fail and our output will not be there. So that is the first ill effect of detonation. Okay, another is, if this temperature is very, very high, then local melting of piston and piston rings, it will be directly subjected to this high temperature will be affecting the piston and piston rings. Okay, piston and piston ring. So this temperature will burn this piston and piston rings, which is going to damage our cylinder itself. So that is another ill effect of detonation, local melting of piston and piston rings. Okay, number 3, as this fuel is ignited by the spark plug. Okay, so a spark plug will be very near to the combustion chamber. Suppose this temperature is near about 2000 or 2500 degrees centigrade, then what will happen? This melt, this is overheat the spark plug or it will melt also. So a spark plug function will stop at this temperature if this temperature and pressure is not distributed evenly throughout the combustion chamber. Okay, so that is another negative effect of detonation. Fourth is rough running and noise. See, if this temperature is very high, then engine running will be very rough, okay, and it is having noisy operations also. So that is another negative effect of the detonation. Okay, so that is rough running and noise. Fourth is output and efficiency. This, suppose this temperature is not equally distributed throughout the temperature and pressure is not equally distributed throughout the combustion chamber, then what will happen? It will affect your output. It will affect our output and efficiency also. In such cases, output will be less, okay, output will be less and efficiency will be also less. If the temperature, equalization of temperature is not distributed throughout the combustion chamber. Okay. Last point is ignition. See, this temperature is already very high. So if the fuel, onboard fuels are there, then automatically it will pre-ignite and ignition is not required. Okay. So that point, that way we are going to finish it early. That fuel is ignited early before the time, and that stage, that is ignition lag or flame propagation, will not be proper. So that is another, it should not be there actually, pre-ignition should be as less as possible. Okay. So that another impact, negative impact of this detonation is there, that is called pre-ignition. Okay. So what are the factors affecting detonation, that I will discuss in next class. Thank you.